All right, so once we have our cartoon character traced, in the upper right-hand corner, we've got that little eyeball. As long as you did the update, if you hit that eyeball, you could see how your tracing is looking. So you can see if you're missing anything. So obviously I'm missing the pupils for mine, but I'm gonna leave those off for right now, and you're gonna see why in a second. All right, so once we have everything traced, to help make the process of picking out your emotions and drawing those out a little bit quicker, all we're gonna do is recreate this image 4 more times, and then we could change it into the emotions that we want. So if we go down to the X-Acto knife tool, and all we're gonna do is circle what we drew, you're gonna see that it says copied on the screen. So then what I like to do is make this one a little bit smaller. Keep that in the middle. And then I'm gonna hit the 3 dots, arrow down, and I'm gonna select paste. And that's gonna paste that same image, right? So I'm just gonna do that 4 times around the outside edges. Now to keep it the same size as this one, I'm just gonna circle this one because I do want this one to be a little bit smaller than the center. And I'm just gonna do that a few more times. So paste, paste, paste. Make sure you hit the check mark down at the bottom. Oops. So now you should have the areas for your 4 different emotions and then your center character. Now, if anything gets too small or too big, you could just circle it again, and then you could change the size. So say I want this one to be a little bit bigger. Boom, I can make it a little bit bigger. All right, so now what we're gonna do is just zoom in one at a time and start to make this into the 4 different emotions that you want. Oops, the eraser was a little too big. So I'm gonna erase out this mouth, and I'm gonna change the emotion, okay? So say I want my emotion to be mad. By doing it this way, it just makes everything a little bit faster. So now I could come in and add in my details. And make it look like the emotion here. Okay, so obviously I'll be working a little bit slower. So what I want you to do is go through for all 4 emotions and put in whatever type of emotions and whatever changes you would like. And that's gonna be it for this step. If you don't get all 4 done today, not a big deal. We can continue working on those for tomorrow. All right, guys, have fun, and I'll see you next time.